3y over 5 minus 2 equals to 7. Find y. So if you have to solve this question, this is a linear equation, so it's also an algebra. All right, so it is actually very simple, so let's solve it together. Solution. So what we are going to do is to, first of all, we are going to move this minus 2 to this right side, and if we move minus 2 to the right side, here will become plus 2. All right, so if we do 3y over 5, which is equals to what? 7 plus 2. All right, now 3y over 5, which is equal to 7 plus 2 is going to give us 9. All right, so there's a fraction here and here. Let's make here a fraction so that it will be easy for us to solve. So now the next thing to do here is to cross multiply. So if we cross multiply this equation, there is 3 times 3y times 1 will give us 3y, which is equals to 9 times 5. All right, so we have 3y equals to 9 times 5 is going to give us 45. 45. Now we have 3y equals to 45. So we are asked to find the value of y. So to make y stand on its own, we have to divide y with the coefficient of y, which is 3. So we'll divide both sides by 3. Divide here by 3. So this cancel this. We have y. So we have y, which is equals to 45 over 3. 3 will divide 45 how many times? 3 will divide 45 15 times. So our final answer is y equals to 15. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.